on. So it's been many days later, and yeah. I guess this has been taking me longer than I had anticipated. But my goal today, Friday, is to get my bathroom organized so I can stop walking over all the crap on my floor. So I think I'll start with the drawers. I want to put in all my nail polishes. Honestly, I think it might be better if I just spread everything out on the floor and pack it. So we'll see. I cannot get this. Why do they come like this? You know what? I really think I'm gonna break it. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, perfect. So I have three drawers. I know the bottom one I want to be my hair tools. And then the top one, the middle one, may be my other hair supplies that are not hair tools. And then the top one to be nail polish. I'm not quite sure.
You should have seen the way that you bloom. I think I saw your face.
So, as much as I thought that having this big space, I wouldn't have as much stuff out, I do. But it looks a lot better than it did before. But I'm trying to set up some of my gadgets. I have a skin fridge, I have a water pick, I have a freaking face scrubber, like, and I only have 2 outlets in here, so.
In the moon, I promise I'll be with you as soon as I find a way up. Yeah. 'Cause you're farther than a kiss on the phone. There's things about you I'll never.
Hey everyone, welcome back again. So what happened was I gave up on my bathroom. You know, I had just finished working. I worked yesterday, Friday. It's Saturday now. So let me give you guys a rundown of my plans. So my plans today are I'm going to go eat some food for breakfast, and then to finish my bathroom and my closet today. So that shouldn't take too much time, and then I need to go to my apartment office to, well, it's a whole spiel, but basically I need to go straighten some stuff out with them, and then I'm hoping to go to IKEA, the farmers market, and maybe Trader Joe's, just depending on how I feel. But I think that I need to give myself small tasks to do in terms of getting my apartment together rather than trying to do it all, because I get overwhelmed and then I don't want to do it. So yes, today, closet, the rest of my bathroom floor, and my living room, because my living room isn't that much. So today I'm going to try to take you guys along with. Right now, we are going to take my blood pressure. Before I forget, I need to do that. And I'm going to cook breakfast. Simple breakfast. And then cleaning time. So also, you guys only saw me wash my face because I haven't showered yet, and usually I don't like to do my skincare until after I shower, because if I do my entire skincare and I shower, I bring my skincare down to my neck, and then my neck will get wet, and it'll just defeat the purpose of putting skincare down to my neck. So that's why I only wash my face right now, and then I'll do the rest of my skincare after I take a shower. But let's go. Let me show you guys how terrible my bathroom looks. It's much better than before, but yeah, let me, my sink is a lot, oh, my sink is a lot better though. Here's my closet, not too bad. Yeah, clothes, trash, boxes. Not too bad on this side, my medication. Forgot to turn off the, ooh, light. You guys can see it from this. See, I didn't have that much to do, I just got lazy. My light in this apartment's pretty nice. Yeah, this stuff, I know a lot of this is gonna stay here. I just need to organize it. And then my living room, not too bad. Just need to pick stuff up and toss some of these Amazon boxes that I hauled for you guys the other day.
But no, I hope that one day we'll be in love when you're not far away.
Measurement over. Your systolic blood pressure is 130 millimeter of mercury pillar. Your diastolic blood pressure is 96 millimeter of mercury pillar. Your heart rate is 85 beats per minute. According to the World Health Organization standards, the measurement result is high. Thanks for using. Wishing you good health.
So unfortunately, my blood pressure is high this morning. I don't know if it's because I wrestled around with the equipment. Also, I can't sit level because the only level, so I can't sit with my feet on the floor because the only other option I have is my coffee table, and like my arm won't stay the way it's supposed to. It'll be like all the way down here. So that probably has a lot to do with that. Honestly, I was surprised that Friday my blood pressure was normal, because I haven't done my reading in a while, but the last times I did my blood pressure check, it was pretty high. That's why I got this machine, because it was consistently high. So yeah, so to be honest, this is not as bad as prior times. It's 130/96. On Friday it was 128/89. So my goal is to get the bottom number below 90 and keep it there, and the top number, I guess, below 120, or 120 and below. So I do have a lot of hope, and I know that I can do that. And next week I will start working out. I just researched my gym this morning. So yeah, I should start going back to the gym on Monday morning. Let's go eat. No need to dwell on this. So today I will make some avocado toast. I have my bread here. I just started taking collagen, so I'm not quite sure how to put this in this kind of food. I put it in my shake yesterday, but I'm not sure how to put it in my egg. I'm just not gonna risk it. Put this on for later. So I bought expensive avocado oil when I didn't know that Walmart sells cheaper one. You know, Instagrammers never show you the freaking avocado looking like this. Like YouTubers never show you the avocado looking like this. But maybe I'm bad at picking, or maybe they have better avocados in LA.
You really make me wanna fly. Cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. When I go to sleep at night.
So now I'm going to eat my breakfast and watch a show and come back to you guys when it's time to clean.
You guys know that we're no strangers to trying wacky, crazy things from Fashion Nova on this channel.
Time to wash some dishes and play some music on my TV, so cue montage thing.
Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. I finally know the reason why, yeah. I'm never really satisfied, yeah. Looking up a paradise, yeah.
Okay, we all agree that I am in my bedroom. And I did say that I was going to keep the cleaning minimal, just half of what I have to do. But in part of my closet are my suitcases, and I don't know where any of my clothes are. Well, like the chill ones. So I decided that I'm gonna go through the suitcases because, you know, this is like an introductory into the cleaning that I have to do. And I only have 2 hours to do so before I should get on the road. So let's just start digging through these suitcases.
Put you by my side. Imagine I walk through your doorway. Imagine skipping all the foreplay. Imagine all the stars in one place. 'Cause you really make me wanna fly.
Okay, that's my carry-on of clothes that don't fit me, but I'm hoping to fit me after I lose weight. And I'm gonna keep it in my closet in the carry-on so I don't see it and get discouraged.
Cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night.
Okay, I got distracted cleaning, but bathroom is looking great. Just need to get rid of one more bag. These are basically my traveling things, like travel got to be and stuff, and some medication. I'm basically done cleaning right now with my bathroom. Living room will probably have to be later, but I need to shower and get to IKEA, which I will try to take you guys along. So okay, let's be honest. So I did not vlog in IKEA because it was too busy. There were so many people. I did not feel comfortable. I am currently leaving to go grocery shopping. I found my dresser, but it's out of stock, so I have to order online. Oh!